Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 96 Chevy K2500 Suburban. So 3/4 ton. Back in the old days though, they used 5.7 350s or 7.4 454s. This just has a 5.7 in it. There you can see a dent there. Faded grill, hood's a little faded as well as the top is also. This was a fleet vehicle from the state of South Dakota. We put brand new tires on it. Got a little bit of rust on this side, but not bad. A little bit in that fender. And then I'll show you some more on the rear quarter. Back where the spare tire holder is, they'll rust there some. But you can see the vinyl seat's a little cracked. This is a 8-passenger. Low miles for a 96, 113, 297. Automatic air, 4-wheel drive, that's about it. Does have power locks, I guess. Manual mirrors, manual windows. Like I said, there you can see some of the nicks on the seats. Back seat's pretty good, got a stain there. Missing a speaker cover back there. Here's some of the stuff from being a fleet vehicle. Little gouge on the molding. There's the worst part right there, rotted out right underneath where the spare tire cover is. It does have the tailgate and the window tow package. So there's a brake controller up front also. See, this side's good and clean for the most part. Pretty good dent right here on the passenger driver side. Like I said, not much for rust. A little bit right there. So pretty clean old Suburban, 3/4 ton workhorse, under 10 grand. Can't go wrong there. So any questions, give us a call, 605-692-7010.